Okay, so Studio One can be set up for looping mode. What I've done here is created 12 tracks, and they're all mono tracks. The most important thing here is make sure that all the inputs are set the same, so that no matter what track you jump to, you're recording your input source. Now the settings for Studio One, we'll just go into the console, advanced up here, console here, and I've got audio input follows selection and audio track monitoring follows record. Click apply and OK. What that means is whatever track I jump onto here is going to record. I'll just bring up the mixer. I've panned the tracks 1 to 5 sort of left to right, and tracks 8 to 12 left to right, and tracks 6 and 7 are panned in the center. So now I've got the metronome set here as well for a 1-bar pre-roll setting. That way I can get into it. So I'm just going to record now, and I'm going to use the up-down arrows to switch to the tracks that I want to record. You can also press the asterisk button as well, which is the keyboard shortcut to come in and out of record whenever you like. So we'll start on track 6, for example. I'll just vocalize some percussion stuff. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, Jake, ooh, Jake, 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 ooh, ooh, Jake, ooh, Jake, 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 ooh, Jake, ooh, Jake, 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 ooh, ooh, Jake, ooh, Jake, 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 ooh, Jake, 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 ooh, ooh, Jake, ooh, Jake, 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 ooh. Jake, 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 Jake. I've come out of record temporarily, so I can jump up. I can start up here now and come back in. Jake, 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 I'm just coming out of record, so I can jump down here to this track. Come out of record. So all these settings are safe now. We can go back to the mixer, put some reverb on it. Come out. Come out. Now, if you didn't, got a bit of reverb on there. If you didn't like a track in particular, you could just punch straight over it. You can have a listen. We're just soloing this. So come out, we could go straight into record actually and just erase it. Come out, Come out. Check. Come out. Check. So track 6 and 7 are in the center here, so I'll just kill the reverb again. And you could make all these tracks. If you wanted to fix all this, you could just basically select all of them and do a Apple B, and it will just stretch out all the audio so that all these tracks are the same length. There's other options too in terms of the record panel down here. You could do takes to layers, and that way I'll just clear everything out here. We'll do takes to layers. So if we start up on a track, then each pass will be actually kept, which is a good thing too. It's just a different way of working. If you don't have takes to layers here, every pass will record afresh and new, and the previous one will be erased. But here, obviously, they'll be kept.